Alright, so in this question it's just asking find the focus in Directrix, and we're given y equals 3/8 x squared. So immediately I think of, well, what's our formula for this, for the parabola in general? And usually it's written as y equals, well, because this one the y is the single term. So y equals, then we can say a times x minus h squared plus k. And when I look at that, I can see, well, this equation is in this form. It just doesn't have a k value, it doesn't have an h value, so that tells me, well, the center, we don't need this to figure out focus, and well, we will eventually. The center is 0, 0. We can see because there's no h value and there's no k value. So then, well, now how do we find the p value? The p, as you know, is the distance between the focus and the directrix from the center. So, well, we know that a equals 1 over 4p. So that's the formula we need to use because we're given a. A is whatever is in front of the squared term, which in this case is x. So then we have 3/8 equals 1 over 4p. So then we have to multiply 3/8 by 4. 3/8 times 4. We're going to get 12 over 8, which is the same as 1.5. So then we're given 1.5p because we multiplied by 4p. So we multiplied this by 4p. We got 1.5p equals 1. So then we can divide and we can get p equals 1 divided by 1.5. And as you know, that's the same as 2 divided by 3. So p equals 2/3. Let me erase that, make it a little better. So now we know that p equals 2/3. Let me write that out here. And then if we look at our equation in general, we have y equals 3/8 x squared. We notice that, well, the coefficient's positive, so we know it's going to be opening up. So for our general shape, we can draw that in. This helps to find the focus and the directrix because you can figure out where they're supposed to be in general. So we're gonna have a parabola opening up. Its center, as we figured out, was at the origin, so it's going to go through the origin. It's going to go up. Well, this tells me, well, the focus is going to be above it. Focus is going to be here, and that's going to be a distance of p in between. And the directrix is going to be the line down here with a distance of p in between, so it's going to be going like this. Well, you see the only thing changing is the y value, and it's going to change by a value of 2/3 each time. So the focus first. Focus is going to be at 0, and then we're going to go up by p, which is 2/3, so it'll be 0, 2/3. And then our directrix is going to be a line, and again, it's just going to be a y value is going to be set. Y equals, and what we've done is we've gone down by 2/3 from our center, which is 0, so 0 minus 2/3 equals negative 2/3. So there we have our focus and our directrix. And given those two things, we can draw a graph. I hope this is able to help you, and comment if you have any questions.